Get up. Meaning to rise from bed. To stand up. Example: I get up at dawn to exercise. Please get up when the judge enters. Get along. Meaning to have a friendly relationship. To manage or cope. Example: the kids get along really well. How are you getting along in your new job? Get over. Meaning to recover from illness or sadness. To overcome a problem. Example: she can't get over her fear of flying. We found a way to get over the technical issue. Get through. Meaning to finish something difficult. To make contact by phone. Example: it was hard to get through that book. I finally got through to customer service. Get away. Meaning to go on vacation. To escape. Example: we got away to the beach. The prisoner tried to get away from the guards. Get back. Meaning to return. To retrieve something. Example: when did you get back from vacation? I need to get back the money I lent him. Get by. Meaning to manage financially. To be just good enough. Example: they get by on one salary. My Spanish is basic, but I can get by in Mexico. Get on. Meaning to board a vehicle. To continue or make progress. Example: get on the train quickly. Let's get on with the meeting. Get off. Meaning to leave a vehicle. To finish work. Example: you should get off at the next station. I get off at 6 p.m. tonight. Get out of. Meaning to leave a confined space. To avoid an obligation. Example: get out of the car now. He tried to get out of doing the dishes. Get across. Meaning to communicate an idea clearly. To move from one side to another. Example: he failed to get his idea across. How will we get across this busy road? Get together. Meaning To meet socially. To gather or assemble. Example: we should get together for coffee. Can you get together all the documents? Get at. Meaning: to imply or suggest. To reach or access. Example: what exactly are you getting at? The cookies are on a shelf I can't get at. Get around. Meaning: to travel to different places. For news, information to spread. Example: I get around the city by bike. Word got around about the party quickly. Get into. Meaning: to become interested in something. To be accepted into a place. Example: I recently got into gardening. She got into a great university. Get down. Meaning: to lower your body. To feel depressed. Example: get down from that chair. This rainy weather gets me down. Get ahead. Meaning: to become successful. To make progress. Example: hard work is the best way to get ahead. I worked late to get ahead on the project. Get behind, with, on. Meaning: to fail to keep up with payments or work. To support someone, something. Example: I'm getting behind on my rent. The whole town got behind the local team. Get rid of. Meaning: to fail to keep up with payments or work. To support someone, something. Example: I'm getting behind on my rent. The whole town got behind the local team. Get away with. Meaning: to avoid punishment. To do something risky without consequences. Example: he got away with cheating on the test. You can't get away with so little sleep.